Come over here. Over here. Drop the can.
What?
Come over here.
For what?
I saw the spray paint. You're acting like you're not doing anything.
I'm not doing anything. This is my house. I'm looking at. It's not spray paint.
That's not spray paint that you just dumped.
No, it's.
Where's your license?
I don't have my license here. I'm looking for.
No, we're not. No. Grab your license.
This is my house. I'm looking at the bushes.
No, that's not what you're doing. Have a seat in the back of my car.
No, I'm
yes.
not going to. No.
Yes.
No.
You're having a seat in the back of my car.
For what?
You're being detained right now.
For what?
For vandalism.
There's no vandalism.
Okay. Have a seat in the back of my car. You got nothing on you that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me?
Hmm?
You have nothing on you that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just have a seat. What's your first name?
David.
David?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch your knee for me. You're not under arrest, you're just being detained. Six courtesy. I'll be out with the subject by the right-of-way sign. Everett Ave. One detained.
I just pulled it. I picked it up, so it was in my
No,
front
it was
yard.
in your hand. No, it was in your hand. All right, wait,
When I
listen.
came out, it was
Hold
in my
on.
front yard.
Let me explain something to you. We have cameras, okay?
Yeah.
So we have you on camera doing this. That's why I came
Doing
down
what?
here. Spray painting the sign.
When?
Over the past month.
I'm back and forth, so okay, go ahead.
Okay. So, I mean, we can play these games, that's fine. I just want to grab the can and get it over and done with. Did you throw it into your yard, or did you throw it just in the bushes?
In the bushes.
Okay. All right, watch your knee for me. So I'm just going to bring him back and question him. All right, David, hold on. I got to read something to you. All right, you have the right to remain silent. If you give up your right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand these rights?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm going to do now is, like I said, you're not under arrest, but I have to take you back, and I'm just going to question you. Just because, like I said, we have a camera set up, so we have multiple instances of you coming in and tagging the sign.
Not me.
Okay. Well, we'll discuss that once we get back down there. Like I said, I'm just going to bring you back, question you, and then once we're all done, I'll give you a ride back. Do you have a phone on you or anything like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your phone right now?
Here.
Okay. All right. So I got to hold on to that.
Why?
Just because that's my policy. That's the police department's policy.
I gotta tell my wife.
Okay. I'll let you make a phone call. You can call her right now.
I was texting.
But unfortunately, I've had instances where people are recording videos and